So why do locksmiths make so much money? Let's walk through. We're going to bid this job. You tell me how much this job is going to be worth. If our service call is $125 and we charge $25 per cylinder, we're going to walk through this house. You tell me how many cylinders we have, and you tell me how much the final bill is going to be. Let's go. So walking up here, oh, first things first, oh, missed a hummingbird. So first things first, here we go. Front screen door, right here. Front door, check that out. Look at that thing, 24-inch latch. Okay, here, here. Let's go inside. Here and here. Let's check here and here. Then let's check here and here. Last door. Let's check right here and right here. So go through all these locks that I just showed you, and if I give you a box of keys and you put a key in each keyhole, how many total locks do we have? Give me a total price on this bid. $125 service call and $25 per lock. Tell me how many locks we have and how much we're going to make for this job. And FYI, I was on this job for 57 minutes, and if you watch the video, you can see some of the issues I had.